If I only had 2 minutes to help you manifest something completely different into your life, this is all you need. Manifesting is about your intentioned reality, your desired reality being natural and a part of who you already are today. That's the number one thing always. If your intended reality feels like it's a part of you already, if it feels like it's normal to happen today, if it feels so familiar to who you already are, that's when it happens. And the fact that it doesn't feel normal, it feels abnormal, unfamiliar, and uncomfortable to potentially have that reality is why it's not here. The indicator on how you know if your intention reality is normal for you is if it happened today, if the money showed up, if the soulmate happened in your life, if you had your dream reality happening, how would you feel? And would you feel like there's a big parade and celebration that's about to happen today? If it feels like you'd be over the top excited, that is the indicator on why you don't have it. Because it's counterintuitive for the things you're familiar with. For example, the tiniest thing, going to the store, buying groceries. Do you get excited about that? Or is it just part of your normal life? It's part of your normal life. It's feels familiar, feels normal. Your goals need to feel the same way as you going to the grocery store and grabbing your groceries. If it feels like it's over the top exciting, it means you and it are not familiar enough. You and it are not one yet. Affirmations, visualization, gratitude, or any other technique is just meant to help you get familiar with that potential reality. That's it. It's allowing you to fuse with it. You don't have to do any of those techniques with the things you're already familiar with. And the universe is responding to the language of the universe only, meaning when you say words, it doesn't hear what you say in words. It hears what you mean energetically. The language of the universe is vibration. And when you say, I'm feeling good about my intentions, what you're really saying is, I have conscious awareness that I'm stepping into a better vibration around my intention. Because feeling and vibration are the same exact thing. From this place of fusion, from this place of being one with your intended desired outcome, the inspired actions follow. So actions are, of course, a part of the process. But when you are moving forward, you get into the state of fusion first. Then ideas are attracted in to help you follow through on actually receiving the desire. So you get into an inspired state and your actions change, you increase your skill level, things synchronistically start to happen for you based on your change of fusion first. This may be the most simple video you've ever come across on law of attraction or manifesting. If you just keep this in mind every single day, that's all you ever need. And I highly suggest also, if you're looking for more instructions on how to fuse with that intended desire, if you go in the description below this video, you'll find my Manifestation Accelerator course, which is going to give you daily instructions on how to fuse with it, and also how to sustain the fusion. Because it's one thing to actually fuse with your intention, and another thing to actually fuse with it every single day. Very different. To solidify all this and start actually applying the material that we're talking about right now, in the comment section below, say, my intention is normal. My intention is normal. To already start activating your mind that you and it are normal, it's familiar, it's usual for you to have that thing happen in your life. If you haven't already, throw a like on the video if you're getting value out of this. Subscribe, make sure you're following me so you get more valuable videos like this on a daily basis. Haug signing off here. I appreciate you very much. Thank you for being here in our Soul Tribe family. Let's keep bringing your manifestations to the next level.